Welcome to the bundle Kwanda, which is a Swahili word to be prepared. The human being is multifaceted. There are many parts to us that must all function harmoniously to be a highly successful individual. The ability to have all the functions interact in harmony to achieve the desired results is a function of preparation. Kwanda means preparation. It is a Swahili word. It is the second in the series of Leader Freak International's 6-step framework. This is because we believe that discovering who you are is an important step to becoming a highly successful person. Gaining a better understanding of what you must prepare for to be a highly successful individual is important. With the desire to conform to what society has defined as success, few people are living an authentic life. Many people never reach the actualization phase due to lack of preparation for success. Self-actualization, according to the dictionary, is the realization or fulfillment of one's talent and potentialities, especially considered as a drive or need present in everyone. To be fulfilled, you must actualize. To actualize, you must prepare. To prepare requires that you know what you want. Once you know what you want, you must plan towards its achievement. Everybody wants to be successful. Success is available to everyone. What is success? Have you ever stopped to consider that question? What does success mean to you? Is your concept of success achievable? I bet it is. The real question is, are you willing to do what it takes to achieve it? Kwanda will take you through a series of courses to define success on your own terms, visualize your success, learn what it takes to achieve success. Elle Nightingale, an author and motivational speaker, wrote that success is really nothing more than the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. This means that any person who knows what they are doing and where they are going is a success. Any person with a goal towards which they are working is a successful person. If Elle Nightingale is right, then it presupposes that you must have a worthy ideal, know what you're doing, know where you're going. In one sentence, you must have a goal. Kwanda, as a branch of a framework, has about 12 different leaves. The leaves are the different skills you need to achieve success and happiness. Each leaf provides you with fundamental tools for your journey to becoming self-actualized. Abraham Maslow, an American psychologist and philosopher, defined self-actualization to be the full realization of one's potential and of one's true self. Abraham Maslow proposed that there is a 5-tier model of human needs, and we must begin from the basics in order to attain true fulfillment, which will ultimately see us living our truest, highest selves. They are the physiological needs, which is the basic needs of food, water, warmth, rest; safety needs, security, safety; belongingness and love needs; intimate relationships, friends; esteem needs, which is prestige and feeling of accomplishment; and self-actualization, which is achieving one's full potential, including creative activities. For most of you taking this course, your basic needs and safety needs are currently being taken care of by your parents. Your need for belongingness and esteem is, however, high, and you must learn to attain fulfillment in this area in the most safest way and prepare to provide your basic needs when you become fully independent. We believe that you can and that you are ready. We believe that once you put these learning into practice, you will acquire the behaviors necessary towards excelling in life. We strongly advise that you explore all the leaves within this branch. They are, beginning with the end in mind, how to be self-organized, how to craft a vision and mission statement, how to develop personal values, how to be self-disciplined, how to prioritize, how to be self-organized, how to plan your life, how to stop procrastination, how to set and achieve any goal, how to install habits and routines, how to manage your time. You are the key to your success, to your happiness, to everything that you dream. Your study of Kwanda begins now.